Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2021 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black color, and this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sport Appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, with a nice hard tonneau cover. We got the nice Sport logo right there with gripped running boards on either side, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light, and spotlight indicated mirrors. And move to the front, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents and 12-volt with USB, USB-C, and 120 volt. And of course we do get that lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, spotlights, tailgate, lights, parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 104,733 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have a digital speedometer. We have My View, trip and field, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Taking a look to my right here, we got our gear selectors, collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. We got your lovely center console with even more storage underneath. Drive modes, 4-wheel drive and rear locking diff, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with dual climate up front and heated front seats, 12-volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash. We also do get your features for your rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And taking a look here, we have our auto stop, auto start, backup camera, hazards traction, media controls, and your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your navigation as well, pretty easy to use. Got your phone capabilities. Your fave apps will be found here with messaging, email, zone lighting, vehicle settings. Any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is ED10904A, and you can head on in to PG Ford or give us a call.